What frontal, sis? What frontal were you talking about? Where? Do you see one? Hey guys, so for today's video we do have the new headband wig. I'm pretty sure you guys saw this wig floating around all over on Instagram. Literally every hair company has been posting these wigs. I finally have my headband wig here. This one is from UNice Hair. With your packaging, they do send you a variety of different headbands. So we have literally a headband for every day of the week in here, you guys. So this one I did get in a 22-inch. That's what the inside of the wig is looking like. It does come with a comb attached on the top of the wig and also one in the nape area. In the back of your wig, it has this piece here that you can attach and reattach however tight you want your wig. This is what the wig is looking like. The hair is really soft and silky, you guys. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and apply my wig. I'm gonna take that comb on there and stick it into my hair itself that's braided. Actually, I'm gonna bring it a little further back. And you wanna make sure that this is sitting flat onto your head. I'm gonna do the same in the back. And I'm going to take that piece of band and we're just going to attach that. Wow, look at this, you guys. My wig is secured onto my head. I could literally pull it. It's not going nowhere. Oh my gosh. This is amazing. Okay, let's lay the baby hairs. Just gonna lay the baby hairs and then we're gonna come back and style the hair itself. So. Amazing. Like, I'm actually really shocked. I'm just gonna take my iron and we're just gonna go over the hair. So the hair on your units is still 100% virgin hair. It's not synthetic. So yes, you can curl them up. You can literally style it as you would on a wig. Just mean it's a headband wig, so it's a lot easier to install, to wear. This wig requires no work. The hair itself, you guys, really soft. I'm impressed at how soft the hair is. Like, honestly, it's so soft. I'm not sure if I actually ever tried UNice's hair before. Yeah, I don't think I've tried their hair before, but the quality on this wig, you guys, amazing. Like, amazing. When I'm trying to like get my point across, I kind of like repeat my words. So I'll be like, yeah, the wig is bomb. Like, so bomb. I don't know why. It's just like a really bad habit of mine. I'm just so used to doing it now. So y'all bear with me, okay? But the hair, oh my gosh. What? So, and it's long. So I'm just going to stand up so you guys can see how long the hair is. So it reaches me to like my waistline. With this, I'm obsessed with this. Honestly, you guys, I was not sure that I was even gonna like this, just because I'm like, okay, it's a headband wig. It's also similar to a what we call a half wig. It's so similar to like a half wig, so I'm like, okay, might as well just get a half wig if we're gonna, like, you know, do the same thing. But this is by far better than a half wig, because a half wig, you still have to leave some of your hair out. You still gotta like try to, you know, blend your hair with the half wig. With this one, it's like you just pin it on, you pull down that little band, or you pull it back however far you want, and swoop your baby hairs, you guys. And It looks so good. I'm actually so impressed. I don't think I've ever been this impressed with like a wig or like these new wigs that they're trying to always bring out, but this one I'm like honestly shocked. Having a wig like this, it definitely gives me, you know, a chance to let my edges breathe and what's not. So I actually really like this. I'm in love with this. I'm 100% sold. Yes, it's my first time trying these headband wigs, but I am definitely sold on the wig, you guys. Like, it's amazing. I'm just gonna turn around in the back so you guys can see what it's looking like. Should we stand? And it's long too. Like, the wig reaches me down to my butt. You know what? I haven't wore some bamboo earrings in so long. It's been about years. I cannot tell the last time I actually put in a pair of bamboos. So we're gonna dress her up with some bamboos. I'm just gonna go ahead and try a different headband with this one. You know, really pull up on a girl and be like, what frontal, sis? What frontal were you talking about? Where? Do you see one? No, because I don't. I really have like no words for this wig. The hair is bomb. This wig was just a snap and attach, and that was it, you guys. I did not have to do any work. You just gotta make sure that your hair is braided underneath so that it's neat in the back and you're not feeling any bumps or nothing like that. And it's also flat on the surface also. But you guys, the wig is amazing. Like I mentioned a while ago, I did not think that I was actually gonna like this wig just because I've tried half wigs before and I'm not the biggest fan because I always have to like try to blend my hair with it. But these ones, it's just like, you just gotta lace some baby hairs and that's about it. Literally, guys, if it's one last wig that I had the chance to suggest that you guys all purchase before the end of this year, it would be a headband wig. Like, you would definitely need one. It's so worth it, especially if you don't like installing wigs, you don't like wearing lace frontals, you just want something that's really easy to clip on and go. These wigs right here, these wigs right here is it. This is the new it. Like, it's doing it for me. So I highly suggest these headband wigs, you guys. They're amazing. Also, definitely check out UNice Hair. The quality on his hair, amazing. So definitely check them out. His hair is really silky and nice. Like I said, I did get this hair in a 22-inch. I will have everything listed down below for you guys where you can purchase them. I'm gonna finish up this video right here. If you guys have already tried the headband wig, comment down below and let me know how are you guys liking it, because honestly, I'm in love. I'm loving this wig right now. I just love the fact that my edges are out and my edges could breathe and all of that. And yeah, so I'm loving it. Let me know in the comment section down below how are you guys loving this wig. Don't forget to like, share, comment, subscribe, hit that subscribe button if you're not subscribed already to my channel. That way you will not miss any of my uploads. And until next time, bye.